Yo, welcome back to the Hunky Crunky channel, and today we're gonna do Hershey's Mcflurry mud pie with digestive biscuits. Okay, now I'm gonna add everything in a bowl. All right, add everything in a bowl. Total 6 mukbang. Look at that. Ooh, shit. Add everything in the big bowl. Okay. It's a little bit soft, but it's okay. Oh my god, I can't wait for this, man. Oh, yummy. Look. Ooh. Right? 6 McFlurry mud pie. Don't waste anything. Yep. God. And one more. Right, mud pie is done. Now take a look. It's huge, right? Okay, now biscuits. I'm gonna eat like, how I used to do eating Mcvities is always I eat it with tea. Right, I dip in tea, hot tea, and it tastes so good. But this time around, oh man, right? I'll put it here so that you guys can see how I do it. Okay. All right. Yeah. Take like this. Take Hershey's mud pie. Dip it in like that. It's so good. Actually use the biscuit as a spoon, right? Hershey's McFlurry mud pie. It's so awesome, man. I mean, I like Oreos, but this one, it's something new in Singapore right now. I don't know whether it's new, but I'm liking it. A lot of people might be wondering why why I choose Mcvities instead of Oreo. Reason being, I mean, it is nice, man. Like, you guys should try Mcvities with tea. Plain tea with some sugar or honey to the tea, and it's really good. Oreo cookies on chocolate, I think it's a bit overkill. Yeah, that's why I choose Mcvities with this. I mean, if you were to know about the how they make cheesecake, right? I think most cheesecake, their base is with, like, this biscuit, digestive biscuit. Yeah, if I'm not wrong. This week, it, the Joker movie debuted this week, and I haven't watched it yet. I can't wait to watch that. I mean, I don't expect high hopes on it, because I don't know who could beat the previous late Heath Ledger Joker, but I think Joaquin Phoenix might be the next guy that could probably nail it. I heard I heard there will be no Batman in the movie. It's just pure Joker movie. But I'm fine. You don't have to have Batman in all of the movies, right? It's like the life story of Joker and how he became a badass villain, how society treated him, and how he coped with stress and all that. I think, yeah, I think it should be an Oscar-winning movie. The ice cream melt very fast, given our, given Singapore's temperature here. Now it's like, instead of like ice cream, it became like Milo. But it still does have that Hershey chocolatey taste. Really, now it's become Milo. Like, most of it is become liquid. So, now become I wouldn't say it's Milo. It's more like, what you call that? Like a fudge, Hershey mudpie fudge. Yeah, it's more like that. I got coma. Dip it in. Somebody asked me like, how's my progress? Like what I'm gonna do now? Like, I'm trying to gain back my strength. Getting back the weight that I used to have. Of course, trying to still look good, maintain some, you know, some good looking shit on myself. Oh my god, coma. Oof. But yeah, I mean it's inevitable if trying to get the strength that I used to have. Benching. What did I try before benching? 4 plate and a half. That's about 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 200, no, 10, 120, 220 kilograms aside. I think that was for 3 reps easy. If I were pushing it, I could do more, but I kept at 3 back then, and after that I felt so heavy, then felt so sluggish, and I leaned out all the way, get hooked on looking good and all that, and I lost most of my strength. Why I want to attain back, you know, that numbers again, because man, that was like when I did bench that heavy, I felt like a juggernaut, you know. Juggernaut, where is he? I felt like a juggernaut. So it's like, yeah, I mean, I miss training hard in the gym. I love to train, man. Like, I love to train more than I like to compete. You see, because I've been training hard, no plans to compete at all, until my friends were like telling me, hey, I think you should try competing, because if you don't, you're just like a poser, like a fake bodybuilder who just gym and look like a bodybuilder but do nothing and no accomplishment. Yeah, he's right for, you know, he's right about that. He's a good friend of mine. I thank him. If not because of that, I wouldn't have tried competing. But yeah, it's and I when he said that, I worked with him. We were once colleagues, and I began joining a competition, diet down competition, and I got gold in my first comp. So I got hooked. But it's all about me loving to gym. Nothing can change that. So right now, I just wanna get back the strength. You know, my squat is going up. Like this week, I tried 5 plates. Right? What is that? 200 kilo for 6 reps. Yeah, 6 reps. RPE 9. 6 reps. It's like failure. So slowly going up. Probably next week I try 5 plates for more than that. So at least I know that I got better. Progress overload. Then my deadlift. My deadlift is the one that got worse. I used to be deadlift some good numbers, like I think the heaviest I scored was 300 kilo. Now back to 5 plates. I mean one rep max is 6, but that's really pushing it. So I'm not gonna. I wanna get stronger, ease back to deadlifting 5 plates, easy, and then from there I'll up the weights. So yeah, I'm trying to stick it back. I mean, hopefully, if the numbers are good, I probably do a powerlifting, strongman. I don't know, but that's out of my mind right now. Did I put on weight? Yeah, I mean, but I put on weight. Is it all muscle? Probably muscle, fat, water. But I don't care about that. Of course, don't make yourself look like a fat, you know, like somebody who don't lift, right? I won't go to that extent. You know, I still eat a lot and do videos and train hard. And if I know if I keep doing this way, I won't be looking like that. At most, I'd be like a off-season bodybuilder or like full-on big strong man built, you know, bear. Yeah, that's what it is. Since I brought the juggernaut, this is one of my favorite Marvel character. You know why? Because he's a huge ass mutant. I don't know, he's not a mutant, he's imbued by supernatural powers, you know. Cytorite, they call it. But he's just pure strength and sheer size. I mean, I like the Hulk too, but you know, this guy looks like, you know, like you know, traps for days, abs, not even once, right? Like his traps is like, you know, his head like connected to his trap, like yeah, you know. But yeah, I love this guy. I was happy that they include him in the previous Deadpool movie. That was so good. Finally, they did Juggernaut justice, right? Before was in X-Men, and you know, at the ending, he just chased after Kitty Pryde, right? The girl that, you know, can go through walls, and he at the end he could knock himself against a wall because there's this kid that can literally neutralize mutant powers. So as he get close to the kid, he couldn't bash through the walls and go, boom, he hit against the wall and then that's it. That's Juggernaut in the X-Men movies back then. But Deadpool movie, they got him right. Alright? They got him right. He's huge in a yellow jacket, prison attire. Then when he fight Colossus, he tore off the sleeves and show his arms, and man, they do him good. So I can see one of my favorite is strong debate. Juggernaut versus Hulk, who would win? Draw. It's a draw. To me, it's a draw. Both are stupid strong, stupid durable. Super recovery. I don't know. It's a draw. Unless World War Hulk. Or is it World War Hulk? Yeah, unless it's him, but I don't know, man. This guy has strange powers as well. He's imbued by supernatural dark powers that gave him supernatural strength. So I don't know. In the future, if we have to write the comics again, like round 2 or round 3, they fought a couple of times. Who would win? Yeah, we'll see if they will do the rematch again. Because previously, the Thing versus the Hulk, the Thing won. The Thing won, but he broke his whole entire arm with one single punch that knocked the Hulk down. And the Thing couldn't even touch this guy. So I don't know, man. Like, but yeah, Juggernaut, one of my favorite super villain. And this toy is by Marvel Select. Look at the design. Articulation wise, it's not that good, but a big guy, a big toy like this, big character doesn't need articulation like Spider-Man. That's what I'm trying to say. All you need to do is like uppercut or punch, and that's it. If you want to take photo shoots of him fighting against Spidey or whatever, that's all he does. Like, he doesn't need to like taekwondo or karate kid up the sky. His feet's like doing splits and all that. So articulation wise, for a bigger guy like Juggernaut is okay. Done with the biscuits. Now it's just, you know what I'm gonna do. It's just ice cream. Alright. Parental guidance is advice. Do not try this at home. Oh my God. Oh man. Alright. Food review for the Hershey's mudpie. Hershey's mudpie ice cream, McFlurry. 2 thumbs up. When it's cold, when it's in ice cream form, it's really damn good. Like, but you know, like when it melt the sugar, like I don't know, it became more concentrated and it became really sweet. But when it was in the ice cream form, it's good. Like I was enjoying it, you know. 2 thumbs up. Um, yeah, you guys should give it a try. There's another one. McFlurry shortcake. McFlurry Hershey's strawberry shortcake. Yeah, that I think that will be lighter on the taste bud and lighter, like you know, it's not filling because strawberry it's light. That one will be like I probably will try that. I won't do a video of that because I'm just gonna do McFlurry once and maybe I'll try something else, you know. But I will try like McFlurry, that flavor, you know, maybe next time. Yeah. So 2 thumbs up for Hershey's mudpie McFlurry, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the Hunky Cronky channel, like the button, comment in the comment section, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, stay tuned to the next upload in the Hunky Cronky channel. Boom.